Today we're going to work on the Starlet. We've got a fair few things to do, but I'm going to do some easy stuff today. We've got a drift event on Sunday with Vivid Motorsport. So we're going to go through the list. I'm going to do a few things that'll be not too bad. Quick stuff. I'm putting a rear sway bar in it. It doesn't have one, so we're going to put one in it. We'll start off with that probably, and then I'll go from there, see where we can get to. Cool. So we've got a fresh sway bar. Open her up. Sway bar. So we set up the sway bar, but we have an issue with the muffler. Hangs there, and the link goes up there, but we can't get to the rail to mount it. So you can see on this side, the link could go up. You drill a hole, you mount it through there. So we're going to take it back off, wait for the car to get roadworthy, then we'll modify the muffler. So we got the sway bar out of the back, put it away, moved on. We threw in the front coilovers that needed to go into there, which is good. They fit good. We made some clearance to the brake lines and stuff, which is alright. Now we're moving on to the turbo kit. So we've got to... we're going to pull off the stock turbo, manifold, intake, replace all that with a aftermarket one, and we're replacing the radiator. I'm going to do a Civic radiator, which is only about this wide. It gives us more clearance for the turbo over here. It's also thicker than this one, so better cooling and stuff. But yeah, I'll just show you the kit. So we got this really cool kit Lucas organised for his car. You have noticed a couple of things. Comes with a nice drain for us to put on the turbo, but the turbo we're using is this one, and it's actually different. Slightly different shape on the flange, but same bolt pattern. But the drain is completely different. So that's got a feeder and a drain on one side. And this is drain at the bottom and feed at the top, like a normal one. And this flange doesn't match. So we're going to take this pipe, because it's made to fit around everything, which is heaps better. We'll take this pipe and we'll match it to the drain pattern on the turbo we're using, and just trim this down and grind away and stuff to get it to the right bolt pattern, and then we'll use the drain on our turbo. We also have to, on the turbo, on the turbo we have to grind out a little bit of these guys here, just for clearance, the back to actually touch here and here, and the front one just to clear for the pipe. So yeah, we'll clean up and we'll start cutting and grinding. It smells fresh. that's all we're doing for today. We got the turbo full mocked up. We'll have to pull it apart again, gaskets and things. But it's all modified and fits together now, so it'll be ready to go on the Starlet. Next video will be us at the track. We're doing a skid pan day with Vivid Motorsport. So we'll have the BRZ out. So hang around for that one. Catch you later.